Welcome to Blue Star Automobiles. Now we are going to see multi-purpose masala pulverizing, and this is the chamber. As the knob rotates, we can open the door inside which we have to feed the shoe. This is the flour which rotates. With the help of that, grinding happens, and this is the chamber in which we have to fill the grains for grinding. To regulate the flow of grains, we are having this throttle valve, and this is the flow control. With that flow control, we can control the grain flow, which will indicate us motor ampere, and we have to run the motor in green, that is green zone in ampere meter. This is on off switch, MCB we are calling it as main circuit. It breaks. As we have started, you can see the machine runs in yellow zone. Once we feed the some load, it will run into red zone.
यह मशीन के साथ आने वाले स्पेयर पार्ट हैं.
Now we will see the spare parts. These are the meshes, starts with small and bigger size. This is the cotton bag for brush for cleaning the machine. This is masala hopper. And this is the tochen or nail for cleaning the drum and internal parts. To start spice grinding, we have to remove the front cap of drum and insert the masala hopper. For grinding spices, we have to use 3 or 4 number mesh.
जाली को सही से चेंबर में डाल दें. एक बार रोटर घुमा के देखें जाली सही से फिट बैठी है या नहीं. सामने वाला लीड बंद कर लें. कॉटन बैग की जो
This is the cotton bag fitting procedure. Elastic side of cotton bag has to be properly fitted with the plastic ring of the container, as you can see in the video.
और जो नॉट वाली साइड है उसे अपने पल्वराइजर ड्रम
And in the other side of that cotton bag
बॉटम में
will be tied to the drum bottom.
जैसे देख रहे हैं
Tie the
उस-
knot
उसके
tightly.
हमें बांधनी है.
Firstly, we will see the floor grinding. This is wheat. We are going to grind it. We will fill it into the grain hopper. Firstly, we have to close the grain hopper door. Fill the hopper. For wheat grinding, we have to use mesh 1 or 2. Fit the mesh properly. Close the door. Tight it properly to avoid dust spreading. Switch on the MCB. Switch on the MCB. Remember that both the valves, that hopper gate and regulator, we have to close. Let the machine start in the yellow zone. Open the full door of the hopper, and for loading we have to increase the regulator. Keep it on feet. Check the ampere. If it crosses the and goes in red, we have to reduce the knob. By rotating it anti-clockwise, knob will reduce the grain flow and ampere will come down. And by rotating clockwise, grain flow will be increased and motor load will be increased, which indicates the higher ampere. We have to set it into green zone. Initially try to set into mid of the green zone, as this is the setting which you can see in the video. Now it's in the middle of the green zone and crossing towards red, and it's better. After grinding, close the hopper door. Wait for the amperes to come down to the yellow zone, so the whatever grains present in the chamber will grind totally. Close regulator to 0.
पहले आटा छान ले, बटन खोलिए।
Now you can see the grinded flours. Cleaning of the machine. Remove the door, remove the cotton bag. Remember that after every use you have to clean the cotton bag. It's like porous bag which passes the air and stops the flour from going to the outside. Clean the drum properly with the help of brush. Clean the drum part where the shoes fit very clearly. Take care of for the fitting of the mesh. It has to fit properly.
ये टोचन है, इससे ये गैप में का आटा निकाल दीजिए। जाली सही से बैठना चाहिए ऐसा, और गैप कहीं पे है तो आटा छोटा बड़ा आ सकता है। हल्दी पीसने के लिए हम 2 नंबर का जाली डालेंगे। जाली को ठीक से बिठा दें।
Now we are trying to make the turmeric powder. We have fitted 2 number mesh. Tighten the drum. For turmeric grinding, we have fitted the masala hopper and close both the walls. This is the crushed turmeric powder. We are not going to feed it full. We have crushed it already and we have placed it in the masala hopper. As the masala hopper gate is opened, now you can see the machine started in the green zone. We are controlling the flow. We'll wait ampere to come down. We'll close the machine. Let's check how turmeric powder has done. It's fine. Now you can see the turmeric powder quality. It's very fine. Now we are switching for spices grinding, in which we are going to grind multiple. For spices grinding, we have fitted 3 number jali. These are the multiple spices you can see. We have already roasted these spices before grinding. We have switched on the machine. We will fill all the spices in masala hopper and start feeding. You can see spice grinding is in process. Now you can check the quality of spices grind. We will see the troubleshooting of the machine. Most of the time what happens, improper fitting of the shoes or some holes in shoes. there will be uneven floor, that means fine and coarse, because of hole in shoe or improper fitting. If the space is not properly cleaned, then shoe will not fit properly. Otherwise, due to twist in the shoe, there will be gaps. Firstly, we have to clean the space where the shoes fit. If after fitting the shoes there is a movement, that means there is a gap. Check it. If it happens, we can remove the shape. Check if there is gap. With the help of hammer we can fit the size. We are seeing small practical demo. That gap has to be reduced, otherwise there will be coarse material in the floor. What we have to screen. You can see the shape is proper. Check from both sides.
अभी इसका बिटिंग बिल्कुल सही आ गया, एक तरफ हो गया, अभी दूसरी की तरफ करेंगे, सेकंड साइड। अभी फिट हो गया।
Second troubleshoot can happen. There will be spreading of dust. That happens due to the joints where the drum lead fits has some already stuck floor, so lead will not fit properly. There will be gaps, and with the help of rotor air pressure, the dust will spray in the room. And the second is the filter. Filter's knot is not proper, then from that there will be dust spreading. Third option is that the filter itself, that means filter is insidely filled with the floor, then it will not be porous, so air will not pass from that and the dust will spread in the room. So we have to clean the filter after every use. Will be electrical problem. Electrical problem starts from the plug. If plug has some cuts or the bends, so it will not transmit the power or machine will not start. Check the electrical continuity of the cable. The cable route is from this location to the motor and MCB. If there is electrical problem, we have to open it from front. Second is that once machine starts, machine run at higher ampere, and after 3 to 4 seconds it reduces the lower ampere. If there will be grain in the chamber inside, before starting the machine will take higher ampere, and due to higher ampere MCB will trip off. For that, what we have to do, we have to close both the grain feeder and hopper gate, remove the grains from the chamber, make the grinding chamber totally empty, and again start the machine. Now we will see how to clean the grinding chamber. With the help of this nail, we have to remove the teeth. If there will be material filled in teeth, its sharpness will reduce. For more information, please call us on this number. We are working all weekdays except Friday. Our working hours are 9 AM to 6 PM. Thank you.